Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 25 how to save royalty music from YouTube Studio's very own library on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account. If you don't know how that's done, go to the previous tutorials and then come back to this tutorial and then go to the left hand side navigation bar menu on screen, go to audio library. This is royalty music from the audio library to use in your videos, and then choose a genre, mood, instrument, duration, attribution, or we can search for the music itself. And then once we have picked the one we like, we can then go to the right hand corner of all the music and then click on download. And this then downloads the song, the music from YouTube Studio's audio library, royalty music, to your downloads, automatically opens up in iTunes. We can then take the royalty song to use in videos, drag that onto the desktop, minimize iTunes for the moment, and then once we do that, we can use this in the videos after we record, edit, export, upload to YouTube. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.